AI is changing the world faster than we ever imagined. From life-saving healthcare innovations to transforming how we live and work, artificial intelligence is shaping our future in incredible ways. But what is the most useful thing AI has done? Today, we'll explore AI's greatest breakthroughs and how they impact our lives every day. Let's dive in. AI is no longer just science fiction. It's real, and it's everywhere. It diagnoses diseases faster than doctors. It powers self-driving cars. It even creates art and music. But what are the most impactful, world-changing things AI has done? Let's take a closer look. One of AI's biggest contributions is in healthcare, literally saving lives. AI can detect cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease earlier than ever. AI-assisted robots perform complex surgeries with extreme precision. AI analyzes your DNA to recommend the best treatments for you. Pro tip: next time you visit the doctor, AI might be helping diagnose your condition faster. AI isn't just for hospitals, it's in your pocket, your home, and your car. Smart assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant help us manage our lives. AI controls our lights, security, and even thermostats. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate safely. Pro tip: AI is making everyday life faster, easier, and more connected than ever before. AI is solving some of humanity's toughest challenges. AI helps find new drugs faster than traditional methods. AI models predict weather patterns and climate change with better accuracy. AI is guiding rovers on Mars and helping scientists search for alien life. Pro tip: the next big scientific breakthrough? It might just be powered by AI. Think AI can't be creative? Think again. Some AI models compose original songs and even entire symphonies. Programs like DALL-E create stunning digital paintings in seconds. AI tools help write scripts, blog posts, and even books. Pro tip: some of your favorite songs, movies, and artworks may already have AI-powered elements. AI has already changed our world. But what's next? AI-powered personal assistants that act like real-life Jarvis. AI-driven medical breakthroughs that cure diseases. Fully autonomous transportation, self-driving taxis, planes, and delivery robots. The possibilities are endless. AI will continue shaping our world in ways we can't even imagine yet. AI has already transformed our lives, and we're just getting started. Which AI breakthrough do you think is the most useful? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on AI, tech, and the future. And don't forget to check the description for links to my favorite AI tools and resources.